About Statue of Unity. Statue of Unity is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Prime Minister Narendra Modi came up with the proposal to construct a huge statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. He decided to build Sardar Patel's statue as a mark of respect to this noble soul. He unveiled the Statue of Unity on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's 143rd birth anniversary. The statue's construction started in 2013 and was completed by the year 2018. It was opened for public from the 1st of November. It is world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters. It is symbolic of unity and peace. It is situated on an island facing Sardar Sarovar Dam in the Indian state of Gujarat. It has become a major attraction for the tourists. People from far away visits Gujarat just to have a view of this huge edifice. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more latest videos. Thanks for watching.